Welcome, innovators. This is AI Al, and I've got a cool new tool to share called Quillbot. With it, you won't have to worry about making grammar mistakes, whether you're writing a book or just talking. It makes everything correct and easy. Plus, it has lots of other fun features you'll love. This tool is our AI tool of the week because it's awesome for people who want to be authors. It helps them write better by fixing grammar and changing words to make their stories clear and fun. Let's dive in. First, search for Quillbot on any search engine or visit quillbot.com. Then, you can paraphrase your writing, check your grammar, summarize any text, check for plagiarism, and translate your words or writings into all the prominent languages around the world. For example, if I write a sentence with incorrect grammar like, "I has a little bike in the garage," it shows me the correct grammar, which would be have instead of has. We're trying another incorrect sentence to make it correct. You can also add Quillbot to your Chrome, Edge, or other browsers to fix your grammar while writing anywhere on the web. And here's an example of it. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep innovating. Want to make money with AI? The AI Innovators Corner newsletter is your ultimate guide. Enjoy a free 1-month trial and get exclusive access to top-tier AI tools and resources. Each month, you'll receive groundbreaking AI updates, the best money-making AI tools, and our Best Tool of the Week feature, along with weekly AI tutorials delivered straight to your inbox. Don't miss out. Check the description for your free trial. No strings attached.